Hai Krista.
Hai.
Okay. Let me introduce myself first ya before we start our lesson today. My name is Miss Kia. You can call me Miss Kia ya. Okay? And Miss Kia is your math tutor here. Okay, Krista. I see your name is Krista Rafaela Montrado. So what should I call you? Krista?
Ya.
Okay, Krista. I will call you Krista. Okay, Krista, before we start our lesson today, let's pray first, yeah? Okay? Okay, let's pray first. Let's pray together. How do you usually pray?
Nintendo.
You don't know? Okay. You never pray to God?
Never.
Okay. So let's just jump into our topic today about mathematics. Anyway, today we are gonna learn about mathematics. Do you know? Yes, okay. So I want to ask you first, what is your favorite subject in school, Krista?
Art.
Art. Oh, you like drawing? Oh, you
Ya.
like drawing. So, what do you want to do? What do you want to be in the future, Krista?
Nintendo.
You don't know? Or designer because you like drawing or architect?
Ya.
Yeah, okay. Do you like draw like what is that? Like dress or you like draw like a home, a house.
Draw people.
Draw people. Okay, so I think you will be a famous designer, okay? To make like dress and then make like clothes like that. Okay, Krista. Anyway, why mathematics is not your favorite subject?
Because
Do you
it's
like do you like mathematics, Krista, in school?
a little.
A little. Why just a little, Krista?
Art.
Hard. Where is the hard thing in mathematics? Where is the hard thing? Is that about the multiplication or about the addition or about the subtraction or something else?
Fraction.
Fraction. Oh, I see. Anyway, but I think whether you like mathematics or not, you have to be expert in mathematics. Okay? It's okay you don't like mathematics because you like art, but you have to be expert. It means that if you have to do the task in mathematics or if you have to do the question or something else or test in mathematics, you have to pass that. Okay?
Ya.
Okay, because mathematics is really, really needed in our daily life because we need to practice our problem solving. Okay, from mathematics. Okay, Krista.
Ya.
Okay, so let's start our material today. Okay, before we start our lesson, Miss Kia want to check your mathematics skill in multiplication. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What is the result of 3 times 5?
15.
15, perfect. And then what is the result of 2 times 9?
18.
18, perfect. And then what is the result of 4 times 5?
20.
20, perfect. How about 6 times 7?
42.
42, perfect. And then how about 8 times 9?
72.
72, perfect. How did you remember it, Krista? How did you
Memorization.
memorize that? Yeah, how did you memorize that? What is your tips? It's just remember it.
Hmm.
So your teacher asked to you that you must remember or you must memorize all the multiplication in school?
No.
No, so how? Who 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 asked you to memorize the multiplication?
Myself.
Oh, just yourself. It's good, Krista. Okay, so now I think we just go to the our material. Anyway, what is your topic in mathematics in school now, Krista?
Length.
What is that? Length. Length, mass, volume. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's review about that. Let me share screen first, yeah. Wait. Anyway, Krista, can you open the website Algonova?
I don't know how to do it.
Oh, you don't know how to do it. Okay. We we try this first, yeah. Wait, I will give the link. Let me share the link first. Wait. Okay. What is that? Okay, Krista, can you share your screen?
Then
Okay. And then please click the link that I have sent to you. Oh, okay. Please open the Zoom again. On the bottom, on the bottom, on the bottom, Krista, bottom di bawah, di bawah, ya di bawah. No, no. No, 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 no. Wait, hold on, Krista, hold on, Krista. Okay, let me guide you. Okay, okay, wait. Can I? Okay, okay. Okay, please click this one. Huh. Okay, the Zoom. Okay. And then click, yeah. And then click, yeah, again, that one. Okay. Click that. Can you click that? Or the other one, the other one. Yeah, the other one. Yes, that one. Can you? No, yeah.
mm,
Oh my God. I think you need to open the Zoom. Wait. Wait, yeah. Why it doesn't appear? I think you need to. Oh, please click again, Krista. Click again the Zoom. That Zoom. Click again. Yeah, and then yeah, click that. Can you? It doesn't click. You can click that.
then
I think the other one, and then you click stop share. The other one. Yeah, and then please uh click the link that I have sent to the room chat. Can you?
done.
You open the okay done. Okay, so now please go back to the Zoom. Go back to the Zoom and then share screen. Okay. Okay, let's do. Okay. Now please go to the website that you have clicked. Can you? What is the website that you have clicked? I think in the oh no no no. I think you just click the Google Chrome here. Yeah, that. Okay. Hold on. And then now please wait yeah. Please type L L L L
Done.
yeah
Capital
E
or lowercase?
yeah
Capital or lowercase?
just I think just capital that. Okay, that yeah, ENNDAA 14.
Then,
Okay, and then the password is 6997. Okay, please just log in. Okay, save password ya. Okay, so this is our website for our future course. Okay. Okay, if I say please go to the website, so you have to go to this website ya. Okay, Krista?
yeah,
Okay, so we will save this for later in our end material. Okay, so now please stop the share screen and then we will jump into our material. Okay, so now we will going to learn about length, mass, and volume. I want to share my screen first. Wait, I think I have to open the Canva. Where is that? Wait, yeah. Okay. Okay. Have you seen my screen, Krista?
then,
Okay, wait, yeah. Okay, we're going to learn about this length, mass, and volume. Okay, have you learned about the centimeters and meters?
I forgot.
Okay, or we just review, yeah. Okay, this one is about the length, mass, and volume. Okay, length is about the size of the length, and then mass is something that have the what is that, the weight, and volume something that you can feel on the what is it, on the chair or on the bottle or something like that. Okay, Krista?
Mm,
Okay, now look at here. There is a kilometers, meters, and also centimeters. Okay. Here, don't forget 1 kilometers, or here we just say this as 1 km, yeah, is equals 1,000 meters, or we just say is as 1,000 m. M means meters and km means kilometers. Get it?
mm,
Get it, Krista? Okay. Now I will ask to you how okay, if I have 2 km, so what this how big this number in meters? Blah 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 meters. If I have 1 km is 1,000, so how if I have 2 km, 2 kilometers?
2000.
2,000. Okay, good, perfect. Why is the result this? Why? Because, okay, how did you get this result, Krista? Can you explain to me?
The 2 kilometer
Yeah, 2 kilometer, and then
at 30.
yeah, at 30, and then how if I have 4 kilometer? So what meter did I have?
4,000
Four
meter.
thousand. Perfect. Okay. From here, how if you have to convert from meter to kilometer like this? If I have 5,000 meter, so what size that I have in kilometers?
5 kilometers.
Five. 5 kilometers. Perfect. Why? Why is the size is 5?
Because it's 5,000 minus it become 5.
Okay, perfect. And then how if I have 5,000 and 422 meters. So please convert this to the kilometer plus blah 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 meters. Okay. Can you?
54 kilometer and
And then
plus 21 meter.
what can you repeat?
54 meter kilometer plus 28 meter.
21.
Yeah,
Yeah,
21.
21. Okay. Okay, get it. I will ask to you. Where is from this one, from this number? Okay. Where is what the number that have place value of thousands? Okay. In okay. In 500 and wait, I think I have to where is my pen? Okay. Okay. Look at here. In 500 5,421 there have a thousand and then hundred and then tens and ones. Okay, have you learned about this? Okay, where is the thousands?
In 5.
5. And then what is the hundreds?
4.
4. What is the tens?
2.
2. And then what is the ones?
1.
Yeah, perfect. And then from here, because 1 kilometer is 1,000, okay, so for kilometer, just use the thousand number. Okay, get it? Okay, so from here, where is the thousand number?
5.
5. So just use 5 in the kilometer. Okay, get it? Okay, so
Yeah.
here you have 5 kilometers. Okay, and the digit is left is 421. Okay, and then for the for the left digit, just place to the meter place. So here you will have 5 kilometers plus 421 meters. Get it?
Yeah.
Get it. Okay. Okay, and also in the meters and centimeters. In 1 meters have 100 centimeters. So how if I have 241 meters? So blah 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 meters plus blah 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 centimeters. Don't forget, this is use 100 and this is use 1,000. Okay, so just use the 100 place for answer this question. Can you? Okay. What is the 100 place from here?
2.
2. So you have 2 meters. Get it? Ah, I think this is centimeters. Okay. Do you have 2 meters plus how many centimeters?
41.
Yeah, 41, like that. Perfect. Get it? Okay, now let's jump into the question. Dibangunin aja, turun lagi. Pada mau mandi nggak? Okay, so now let we go to the question about this. Like this. Okay, if you have 3 meter and 55 centimeters, just say 3 meters to the centimeters is 300 and 55 centimeters is just 55 centimeters. Get it?
Mm.
Yeah, so how about the question A? Okay, can you write on the screen, Krista? Please click the pencil icon on the bottom. Okay. Okay. Now please solve the option A. Yeah, perfect. And then? Yeah, perfect. And then what is the total?
0.
Oh, okay, perfect. Oh, 670.
Yeah.
70, yeah. Okay, perfect. And then how about the number B? Yeah, 521.
521.
Okay, perfect, Krista. And then how about the option C?
490.
Okay, perfect. What? How about the last?
81.
Okay, 81. Are you sure? Just 81?
801.
Yeah, 801. So, what is the number that you have to write there? How?
801.
Yeah, how? Please write 801 here. 801. Okay, perfect, Krista. Okay, do you understand about this? Okay, is there any problem? No. Okay, let's continue to the next. Wait, I will erase all those things.
Mhm.
Okay, now, how about this? The number 4. Okay, first thing, you have to color the banner with the shorter, you have to fill the blank first. Okay, after you find the size, and then choose either A or B is the shorter measurement. Can you? Can you, Krista? Okay, I will ask to you. I will ask to you. If I have a pencil, is this the pencil? Yeah, this is the pencil. And the size of the pencil, the length of the pencil is 5 centimeters. And I have the other pencils. This one. The size of this pencil is 8 centimeter. Which one is longest?
8 centimeter.
8 centimeters. Why? Why?
Because it's longer.
Yeah, because it's just it's have a higher number. Yeah. Okay. So now, okay, now please fill the blank first. Please do the question, and then after that, we will choose the shorter thing. Okay, first thing, please fill the blank first. Okay, hold on, Krista. Are you sure this is 10? Because 10 plus 1 is just 11. What is the first place? Is that 10? Okay, what is the correct one?
11.
No, I think you need to recheck this again. Okay, how if this to this one? 101 and then convert it to blah 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 meter plus blah 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 centimeters. 1 meters 10 meters. Okay, let me show you. From 101, yeah, you will get the sum of 100 plus 1. Is that right? Yeah, you need to use the 100 number here. Always use the 100 number for the centimeters and meters. Okay. And then, so here, what the number that you have to place here and wait, here and here. What the number that I have to the first place from here? One or 100 on 10 or 10.
100.
100, perfect. Okay, and then how about the last place? What number that I have to place here? 1? Is it 1? Is that 1, Krista?
1.
Yeah, 1. Okay, so here you have 100 plus 1. So 100 centimeters, blah, blah, blah meters. Don't forget, 1 meters is 100 centimeters. This is the key. Okay? Okay, so if I have 100 centimeters, so what meters did I have? Or if I have 200 centimeters,
Meter.
huh?
1 meter.
1 meter. Okay, perfect. And then if I have 200 centimeter, what meter did I have?
2.
2, perfect. Okay, so what number did I should place here?
1 meter.
1, perfect. 1 meters and how many centimeters? 1? Yeah, 1. Like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then how about the number 2? 3 meters. Yeah, 300 centimeters and 18 centimeters, perfect. And then you will get blah 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 centimeters. Okay, 318. 300 and I will 318. Okay. Okay. From here, you have 318 centimeters and 101 centimeters. Which one is shorter? Which one is shorter, Krista? Okay, if I have a pen, if I have a ruler, if I have a ruler, okay, this ruler, yeah. The first ruler I have, the size is 100 centimeters. The second ruler is 541 centimeters. Which one is longer? Which one is longer, Krista?
541.
Yeah, 541. So now, if I have 101 and 318, which one is shorter?
100.
100 and 100 and this one, yeah. 101, is that right?
101.
Yeah, okay. Okay, Krista. Do you understand about this? Okay. Okay, now please do the number 5. Okay, perfect. And then, yeah. And then in total, you will get. Okay, perfect, Krista. How about the option B? Okay, and then, yeah. Okay, and then,
985.
okay, 945. Okay, perfect, Krista. Now, choose the longest one. Where's the longest one? Which one is longest?
Which one?
Huh?
Which one?
Which one? Which one is the longest size? If you have 290 centimeters and the second one is 607 centimeters and the last is 984 centimeters, which one is the longest? Which one, Krista? Is the A option or B option or C option?
C.
C, why?
Because the number is more higher.
Yeah,
The number is more higher.
the number?
The number is more higher.
Yeah, the number is more higher. Okay, Krista. Until here, is there any problem, or do you still understand? Don't understand?
Understand.
Okay. Okay, I will erase this first. Okay, now, how if I have 5 or centimeters, blah blah blah, centimeter, blah blah blah, centimeters plus blah 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 centimeters. Okay, how about this, Krista? If I have 540 centimeters, so I will get blah 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 centimeters and blah 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 centimeters. Remember the first place here, yeah, the blue place is the place for 100. Okay, so what is the number that I have to place in the blue? And this is ones. And this is ones. This is tens and ones plus ones. Okay. What is the number that I have to place here? The first place.
540.
500. And then what is the second place?
40.
40. And then how about this? Oh, okay. And then please convert this to meter plus blah 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 centimeters. Okay. What is the size from 500 centimeters to meters? You will get
5.
5. Perfect. Yeah, 5 meters plus blah 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 centimeters. How many centimeters?
40.
Yeah, still 40. Perfect. Okay. How about this? If I have 672 centimeters equal blah 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 centimeters plus blah 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 centimeters equals blah 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 meters plus blah 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 centimeters. Okay, please write on the screen, Krista.
Then
Okay, what is this number, Krista?
6.
6 what?
100.
600 and
22.
okay, so here you say 672. Is that right? So what is this? 77?
72.
72. Okay, so now here you have 672 plus 72. Is that right? Okay. Look at the first. Okay, for the second place is correct. Okay. But in the first place, okay, it's supposed to be just take the 100 number. What is the 100 number, Krista?
6.
6 what? 600 or 6 what?
600.
Yeah, 600. So if you have just 600, just write 600. Get it? Because the sum of 672 is 672. But if you write here 672 plus 72, you will not get this number. Get it? Okay, one again. I will test you one again. How if I have 721 centimeters? So I have blah 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 centimeters plus blah 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 centimeters equals blah 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 meters plus blah 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 centimeters. Okay, please fill the blank on the screen. Okay, 721. Perfect. And then,
181.
yeah, perfect. And then how if I say this one? Wait. 852 centimeters, blah 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 meters. Don't forget ya meters plus blah 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 centimeters. How about this? What is the answer? Please write on the screen.
8.
8 and then
Two.
okay, perfect. Why did you write just 8, not 800?
Because it's meters.
Yeah, because it's meters and centimeters. Okay. Why? So why did you write this as 700 here?
Because it's centimeters.
Okay, perfect. Because it's centimeters and this is meters. Okay, Krista, uh, understand about the centimeters and meters. Okay, and then now let's jump to the next about kilometers and meters. Don't forget, 1 kilometers equals 1000 meters. Get it? Okay, let's continue to the next. Okay, how about this? Okay, for the example, if I have 7 kilometers and 1011 meters here, okay, just place the thousand number for the meters. Okay, where is the thousand number? Where is this, the thousand number here? 7 kilometers. Okay, 7 kilo. Okay, just convert 7 kilometers and this. Okay, you have two number ya. Okay, for 7 kilometers, so I get blah 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 meters.
What? Ba. Ya.
Okay. Okay, is that your dad?
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue our lesson. Okay, so here you have 7 kilometers and 111 meters. Okay, so now you have to convert the 7 kilometers and 111 meters. Okay, okay, so if I have 1 kilometer, if I have 2 kilometers, so how many meters did I have?
2000.
2000, perfect. Okay, so here, if I have 7 kilometers, so how many meters did I have here?
111.
Huh? 100?
111.
Yeah, 111 here. And then for this, you will have 7,000. Is it right? So you just sum this. You just sum 7,000 and 111. So you will get 7,111. Get it? Okay, so now do the option A.
Five thousand.
What is that number, Krista? 72?
26.
Oh, 26. Okay. 26. Okay. Okay, so you will get what is the final result if you sum 5,026. Are you sure that is just 526, not 5,026?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, perfect. And then how about the second one? Okay, 8,000, 8 meters. Okay, are you sure just this? Just this? Okay, is that 800, not 8,000? What is that? 800 or 8,000?
8,000.
Yeah, 8, 800 or 8,000?
8,000.
8,000, or if 8,000, if the thousand number, you will have 4 digits. So, but here you just only have 3-digit number. Thousand number has 4 digits. Hundreds number has 3 digits. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Okay. And then how about the option C?
Mm,
Okay. Okay, please do the option C. Use the different color ya, Krista.
okay.
Okay. Okay, and then?
None.
Okay, perfect. And then how about the option D? Mm. Are you sure this is just 600, not 6,000? Okay, so what is the result? Mm-hmm.
6,410.
Yeah, 8,410. Perfect. Okay, and then how about the option E?
Mm,
Yeah. Okay, 4,000 and okay, and then you will get the final result is yeah. Okay, perfect. And then how about the last?
mm,
Are you sure this just 900, not 9,000? Don't forget thousand number has four digits. What is the correct one? Okay. Okay. Okay, perfect, Krista. Okay, until here, is there any problem, or do you still there is that you still don't understand?
already know.
Okay, already know. Okay, Krista, I think our lesson is just until here. So now, please share screen. I will stop share, yeah. Now, please share screen again and then open the website that you have opened before.
Then,
Website of Algonova. Yeah, and then do the first task. Okay. Okay, do you like this course, Krista?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then how about number one? Please click, yeah. And then you have to swipe first and then click the green button, A button. Yeah. You can swipe to the right or to the left. Yeah. That's kadang-kadang menarik. Okay. Just sometimes interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. Where is something that not interesting, Krista? Which one? Is it about converting number?
Mm,
Okay. And then apa namanya? Check the green checkbox. Click the green checkbox. Okay. Okay, and then go to the number 2. Go to the number 2. Go to the number 2, Krista. On the up. On the up. Go to the up. Okay, and then click. Okay. And then like that. How big you understand the topic? Okay. Okay, and then go to the number 3. Okay, what is the most difficult in our lesson? You can type by yourself. Okay. What
But,
answering question about what question? What question is the most
okay.
difficult?
You
What
know.
question? Huh? You don't know? Okay. Okay, and then click the checkbox. Okay, and then what is the last? Okay, Krista. Okay, and then okay. I think our lesson until here, just until here. Okay, I want to ask you first, what is the score that you usually got in school in math score? Do you
80,
usually, huh?
80 something.
What?
80 something.
80 something. Okay. Have you ever got under 70? No. If up to 90?
Ever.
Haven't?
Ever.
Ever. Okay. Ever you got 100 in math score?
Only at grade 1.
Huh?
Only at grade 1.
Only?
In grade 1.
Oh, only in grade 1. And then now you are in grade
3.
3. Okay, I see. Okay. So I hope you will get 100 score in your next test, yeah. Okay. So thank you, Krista. You can stop share. Okay. Thank you, Krista, for joining our lesson today. And then see you next lesson, yeah. Anyway, our next lesson is on the wait, I will check my calendar first. Okay, our next lesson is on okay, on Wednesday. On Wednesday at 16 p.m. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. What time do you usually go back from school?
At Wednesday 2
At 2.
p.m.
Okay, so you have 2 hours for rest. Okay? Okay,
Yeah.
Krista, thank you. See you next lesson. Bye bye.